Hey y'all. Hello, hello, hello. Come on. Oh, had to turn the fan off. Ooh, I got some noodles. There's some regular noodles. And I got me a chicken sandwich from Jack in the Box. Yep. So yeah. And I didn't try the 2 times spice. I'm trying this one on here because I want to save the other one for the chicken challenge. I'm sorry, y'all. Honestly, I've been trying to download videos for a minute, and then it just didn't work. So I don't let nothing get to me. I just move the flow. Look at how red that is. That's really red. Have y'all tried this? You get it off of Amazon. I don't know if I tried it this way before. I don't like how this camera's looking. And Samsung. That's how much I put in there. Don't look like a lot, but we're gonna see what it look like. Y'all, oh my gosh, yeah. But see that? Okay. I got my good old water here. Got my water. Got that. Let's get the chicken sandwich out, y'all. Let's put the chicken sandwich out. Yeah, my daughter brought me lipstick, but I didn't get to use it. I forgot about it. That's how I want to do this video. I heard some lipstick from Jack in the Box. Just a chicken sandwich. I like looking at my chicken sandwich. I'm gonna show y'all. That's how much mayo they put on there. This is the lettuce they put on here. I don't care about that lettuce falling. Put that on that one. Dry bun. Yeah. But we gonna sauce it up. Oh my god. Okay. First, let me try this. Yes. Hot chicken flavor. Yeah. Let me tell y'all something. I like hot food. Shit. That's hot. Y'all. I don't know if anybody ever tried this. I know they did it on the noodles, but they do the 2 times spice, 10 times, 2 times, 10 times. I don't know spice. I don't know if anybody ever done it on a chicken sandwich. Oh God, with the mm. Okay, I don't know if anybody. Okay, the noodles itself is hot from cooking it. Hallelujah. Well, y'all, let me tell y'all something. This is how it fire in the my tongue. I'm slopping on myself, jeez. What I'm trying to say, my tongue is on fire. This is hot. My lip is burning. Oh God, y'all see that? That's really red. I'm gonna try, y'all. My nose running. Have y'all tried this? And I'm not a punk. Believe me, I'm not. I can't be. My nose is running. I'm trying to hang in there with the big dogs. The ones they they barely do this one. I'm a starter. This is the best one. But I done had the other one too. It's a chicken flavor. It's so hot. You get it on Amazon. Yeah, I think they $8. But they good. They good. I see what they mean when they say, yeah. How I'm gonna do the chicken challenge with the 2 time challenge. The red bottle. How I'm gonna do that if I'm acting like that with this one? Oh, shit. The bread is still red. I'm trying to. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh, Jesus. Mm-mm. I'm not joking. It's hot. I hope y'all cheer me on over there. How was y'all first time trying this? Hold on. I got something else. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to go get my little red wine. It's sweet red wine. Red wine. It's sweet. It's real sweet. I showed it on one of my videos. Oh Lord, y'all, I can feel it in my stomach. I don't see how they do it. I think I'm gonna water down. What are y'all eating with me? Leave me some comments down below. Like I said, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting, but I've been trying, but it didn't work on my end. Shoot, y'all, I'm tumbling. It's working. Let me see. I put it on the. Mm-hmm. Ooh, Jesus. I finished my water. Y'all, you know, this kind do this to me all the time. But they got good flavor. Even though they hot. Oh God, it's good. That's some good. That's good. I don't know what video I got that on, but I showed y'all what kind it was. Oh. Y'all, I did a video last night. I didn't get to finish it because my kids kept calling me. I didn't get to finish it. So I just erased it because I was like, it was all over the place. So I erased it. And, I don't like how this looks. Mm. Mm. And this is 5%, I think, red wine. I know it's not this time. That's why I'm gonna sit there right there. It's not 4th of July, nothing. It's just August, right? Oh, y'all. I missed y'all. I hate it when I can't post. I'm not able to post. I hate it. I can't. I don't think that. It's my lip and my tongue. Right there. Tell me what y'all eating with me when y'all watch this. I didn't do nothing today. Uh, I woke up late and I my daughter and them came over to my mom's house. But when the wind came through here, hmm it's gonna go in hot and come out hot. I bet you. I don't have no milk. I don't have anything to calm it down. And I bet y'all wondering why I won't quit eating it. It tastes good. Well, hell, let it burn, right? Okay with it. I'm okay with it, y'all. I'm stupid. Yeah, let's talk. God been good to me. I don't really have nothing to complain about because the devil try to, whew, the devil try to get you, you know? But you know what? Keep praying and the Lord will take over. Because it was getting me because I couldn't, oh, my mouth, I'm just looking around, y'all. I'm trying to take my mind somewhere else. But, ooh, okay. Let's get it together. Okay. I have to do it. My nose went around. All because of that one. It's in my stomach. Yeah. You know, when I couldn't do videos and stuff, it bothered me. And I wanted to give up on it. Because I was like, everything can go wrong with my video. Went wrong. I said, Lord, that's what keeps me going, keeps me happy. Because I like entertaining. I like being silly. I like, y'all ain't seen the silly part of me yet. I bit my tongue, damn it. I bit my tongue. I did. This camera have 3 camera thingies on it for the camera. It's a Samsung. It's not the real expensive one, but my son got the $1,000 one. Sorry, y'all. It's coming. But this camera is letting me down. This phone is letting me down. I'm gonna do a couple more to get kind of y'all up, and I'm gonna try to do 2 videos, one in the morning, one at night. Cause y'all really, I'm gonna tell y'all, It's late. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm going to download this one. But I'm thinking about doing one tomorrow for the next day. I'm going to try to do it like that. Ooh, my daughter trying to call and see. Hold on, from home. Hold on. Ooh. But y'all, we got some good ones coming in. Some good videos. That was my daughter. She was calling to see it. And I made it back. I went to my mom's house to go get her some rub for her knees. Her knees, yes. God, I think this one will come out now. Yeah, I think it won't come out now. But it ain't coming out now. But yeah, I got some good videos coming. I just got to get focused, get the moolah together. But I got something coming because you all see one of my sons in it. Going against Dion and my son and my brother-in-law. Oh, yeah. There's going to be 3 of them. A brother-in-law, my son, and my son-in-law. They want to go up against each other. My son want to go up against the other 2. I got to tell my son-in-law, my brother-in-law. He got to get his big draws on because they want to do a spicy. Ooh, because my son follow people on his YouTube that do the big eating stuff. And the most hottest, the hottest stuff that you could think about. So he's willing to do it. So, y'all, it's coming. It's coming slow, but it's coming. Hang in there. You know, oh yeah, it's in my stomach. It's boiling in my stomach. Oh, it is. Sorry about that. I'm really silly, but let me tell y'all. But yeah, she was checking on me and make sure I made it home because, like I said, it's about 1 going on 2 o'clock in the morning, and me by myself, and she's at home. I'm at home. And my mama's over here. And I had to go and get her rubbing stuff. So it was just checking, make sure I made it home safely and stuff. No. You're not gonna do this to me. You're not gonna do this to me. But yeah, so I made it home, did the video and stuff. And it's gonna be on and popping. It's gonna be on. So you see, y'all, what I'm thinking about, I want to lose weight. And I want extreme eating on my channel. It's going to be cooking, baking, different stuff on this channel. Just not me eating. I don't want to gain a lot of weight. I want to lose weight. By summertime, I want to be, y'all see me at the beginning of my video, what size I was. I showed it to you. I'm probably a little bit more bigger because of simple fact, with this stuff going on, when I eat, I eat. It's mostly because of sodas. And I'm not going to do sodas no more. So I won't have no sodas. I have to let them go because I got a big belly. I don't know why do women gain all their weight in their stomach? Oh my God. When I was in my 20s, baby, my 20s and 30s, I would lose the weight like this. No problem. Between 40 something and 50, it seemed hard to lose. Like, I just don't have the energy to want to lose it. And so this journey is going to be on me losing it. So what I'm trying to say is that, yes, I'm going to eat on here, but I'm going to have other family members to come in and help me because they eat big stuff, the big stuff. I got a brother-in-law, boy, he can put away some stuff. And he's skinny. He can put stuff away. And I'm missing him right now because homeboy can eat. I could put anything in front of him. Homie can eat. He did it on my daughter's show. I'm gonna do some cereal one day. That boy ate a big bowl of cereal running over on her show, on my daughter's show. He can eat, but he's skinny. He he built. Now don't think he's a too big. No, he built. He got a body, but stuff. But you don't look at him and say he ate all that, but he's small. And see, he's willing to do whatever. He want me to just be on the show with him. And I might have a small bowl of cereal. Yes, I might have a small bowl of cereal, but homegirl ain't finna get no big bowl of cereal. I gotta lose weight. I gotta get fine. I got to be 50 and fine. That didn't rhyme. It didn't rhyme at all, yo. I know it didn't. Trying to be happy. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get my brother-in-law to do my makeup. I gotta get some stuff going, y'all. I need to do some stuff. But this is video. This channel gonna be about everything, but mostly eating and cooking. If I throw anything else in there, it's a bonus. Like when we do go traveling, when we get some moolah and we put gas in the car, it's not about the trip that we trying to do is just get out the house. Everybody get out the house. And we be in our car and be able to travel back and forth to because we're gonna want to go to San Antonio. Come on in. I want to go to San Antonio. A wall plug. Mama got one in there.
Yeah, but what's called it's charging all her phones.
No, a separate one. I threw on her bed.
No, but what? There's a black one over there somewhere.
But run behind the bed and go get it. Oh, go behind that to go get it. But y'all, the road trip that we try to do, we want to go to not Florida. We done been to Florida. That's on my daughter's channel. When we do go out on a big trip again, and like I told my daughter, I'm not gonna keep living in fear. I'm not gonna do it. Jesus, if I'm gonna believe in Jesus, I'm gonna believe in him. If I'm not, I'm not. I believe in him. Next year, we traveling. That's why I'm trying to get that body. Trying to get all cute and sexy and stuff. And y'all gonna get to see, everything. But y'all see what size I am. Y'all go back to my beginning of my video. I promise you, you'll see my size and everything. But I want to travel. But this traveling, right, or what we're trying to do right now, it's just road trip. Just from one place to another. Get my mom out the house. Because she stay in the house. Now, she used to being in the house. But before all this happened, her knees not that good for her. But she used to walk around in Walmart and stuff. And she'll do so much shopping, then she'll go sit in the front. But then, now it's like, and she people watch. Me and her like to people watch. We just people watch. We used to go Six Flags and just people watch. I don't know ride them rides. Boo boo. I was scared of those rides. I was scared of the mini mile train. Anybody know what the mini mile train is? I was scared of those. I'm a big baby. But my mom wasn't in her days because when I was little, I was crying because she was getting on them big ass big rides. And then I used to be scared for her when I was little. Me and my mom, best friends, and just trying to get her out the house, get out the house. Just looking at the four walls, her house, my house. We just look at the four walls. So what we trying to do is just get out, see other things, what's going on in the world. Well, we was going to go to Houston, but Houston, I guess down there they was having that, get ready to have that, the car ride, the one with me in the car and stuff. That day we was going to go. And like I told my daughter, I don't think we need to go down there because they was having that water, the rain down there real bad, and I didn't want us to drive in it. I didn't want to put us through that. So we just did a little here and there in random places. That's why you just seen a little bit of it, and then I did Taco Tuesday on it and stuff. Y'all, I'm trying to figure it out. But yeah, but the next road trip, we try and get past the, I guess the bad weather and just get
Go in the living room and write down the Wi-Fi password.
Jeremy gave me back yours because there's too many hooked up on that one.
Which one?
The one you
Spare
get
one?
from school.
Where is it?
Ask him. It's laying on the couch.
Okay.
But yeah, she tried to get the Wi-Fi stuff. That's another thing. My Wi-Fi went down, and I could feel this sweet stuff kick in. But we're gonna have to have wine time, story time. Yes, we're gonna have to do that. But yeah, the trip I'm trying to do is just a road trip. Like we stop along the way, try different foods. So we was gonna go to San Antonio. So this time it's gonna be Houston or San Antonio. But we got to see how the weather is when we do that. I know it'll be sometime next month, but I don't know exactly when. And then I want to go stay in a cabin. I've never done it before. I'm scared because you see scary movies. Why you shouldn't watch scary movies. You shouldn't watch scary movies because I bring them to life. Because you go to a cabin, and every cabin I seen on TV in a scary movie, they don't have no blinds or nothing. I'd be scared of somebody looking back at me. I do. Do y'all have that feeling? Like when y'all watch scary movies, do y'all okay, listen, this is how I am. I want y'all to understand it. Okay, the Titanic. After I watch that movie, I won't get on a ship. Okay? Since 9/11, I'm scared of planes anyway. But when 9/11 happened, don't want to get on the plane. Then a cabin. Want to do a cabin thing. Don't watch the movie on it. And all of them scary. Cause I don't know, it's something about I like watching scary movies, like got something to do with the woods and stuff like that. But then it's scary. I'm a scary person. I don't know how I'm gonna do with that. I don't even know if I will sleep, but I want to do it. I want to do things on this channel that I have never done. And this summer, this coming up next summer, 2021, that's what I want to do. I want to travel. I want to do things. If I get on a plane, I'm gonna take you with me. If I'm crying on that plane, just know. I hope I have one of these. I won't be as scared. But yes, when I say I'm scared of planes, I am scared of them. My heart will drop. When that plane take off, I'm gonna think I'm dead. I'm gonna think I'm dead, y'all. But oh Lord, y'all, my nose is still running from this stuff. My lip is really tingling down to this here. But yeah, it's just that right now a road trip. That's really what I want to do with my mom, and so she can get to enjoy it. I can get to enjoy it. Just get out the house, get away from the craziness, you know. And not only that, I want to get what is one of those things? RVs. I want to get one of those so bad. The Panther, the guy playing the Panther, the movie, he passed away. Yeah, it was sad news. It's just a lot been going on in this world. The 2020 just ain't been good. And I have to say, COVID, no, Kobe Bryant is what I'm trying to say. Kobe Bryant, from his death, starting with his death all the way into now, have just been, if y'all notice, like a big star, he died. And it seemed like the world just got worse after he died. Just things started just going bad and bad. Now it was worse before he died now because the stuff that people was kidnapping women and kids and stuff like that. But no, I'm talking about after his death, it just seemed like everything terrible can happen. You know, we couldn't really, when we was into mourning his death and his daughters and the other people that was on that helicopter died, it seemed like everything else just went down. Everything just started going worse, getting worse. I'm like, dang, 2020. And you know, it's sad because it's hard because all this is happening. And then you want to know who you can trust. I'm like, I really want to know, seriously, how many people who were sick already and had deadly disease, a problem, died of a regular death, and they said that it was COVID. I wonder how many people actually died from COVID. Yes, they give us a big number. We got a big number. I ain't gonna use the word sorry about that. I'm not gonna use the word who died. And or because I done heard so many things people said that people die from other things, but they'll say it's that. I don't know. I stay prayed up. I pray a lot. And there's a lot on my mind. There's a lot stay on my mind because you just want to be loved. You want people to take care of you. When you go to the doctor, you want to be taken care of just like anybody else. You want them to care about you just like they care about anybody else. You know, and I'm not going to go into details what I'm trying to say, but you just have to stay prayed up. You have to stay prayed up because there's so much out there. Like I tell y'all, at the age of 52, the stuff I have seen now, at the age of 52, 50, between 51, I'd say anywhere from 50 to 52. And this is the worst that I ever seen our world because my other years was good. It was great and moving just fine. And all this, if it was going on, I didn't know about it. And it's scary. It's very scary. And honestly, it's a lot. It's a lot, y'all. I'm new to YouTube, so I don't know what I can and cannot say. So I'm not gonna say much, but it's just from 50 to 52 have been an eye opener for me. From people, my mom always taught me to love people. I don't care what color they are, who they are, to love them. I do that, but she told me to have common. Teach me also to have common sense. You know, and it's hard, y'all. I look and I think about life. I think about everything that's going on, and it's a lot. It's a lot. That's why I don't mind praying for y'all. I'm gonna pray for myself and everything, and just like I said, I don't care who you are. I'm definitely.
It says that 4 devices are connected to it.
I know. That's why Jimmy took Danica's.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that's what happened to Danica.
Yeah, he got it. He says to me he hooked on to that one.
Danica was looking for her. She can't find it.
He got it.
Now I gotta tell
You
her.
gotta take all those off of there. Then.
How? I don't know which one to. Like, the only one that I know that's hooked up to this is what's called your butt
Yours,
phone.
Granny's, and Sean and Danica's.
It is?
All of y'all's are. But leave it on there, because it's okay.
It's running down the battery and I can't charge it because it says do too many plugged up things.
I'll talk to you after I'm doing my show. That's a YouTube problem. But yeah, I want y'all to stay prayed up. Hang in there. I got things coming. I only got 10 subscribers. I'm thankful for that because you know what? And when God want me to have more, He'll give me more. Until then, I appreciate it. The people who's watching, I appreciate everybody who's giving me views. I thank you, Betty, for watching every single one of my videos. I can't but give you high five to that because you know what? You make my day. When you comment, you make my day. I look forward to seeing your comment. You know, and cause like I said, if it's just one person who comment or talk to me, that's more than one friend that I had. You know, and I consider you as friend, family. You know, because I can talk to you. You know, you down to earth, and then the things you say on my thing makes me feel good. You just don't know. Mm. You just don't know the comments that you say is great. It's really great. And I know that you're going to stick in there no matter what. And I'm going to comment. I'm going to try to finish commenting on all of the ones you did comment on. But I know you finished every one of them. And I know you're going to be there. Thank you. Truly. And I'm sensitive. Very sensitive. And not because of this. It's life itself. That we have to find our happiness. We have to find things that make us happy. So YouTube makes me happy. YouTube I can talk about Jesus. I can talk about stuff like that. That's what makes me happy. Knowing that y'all watch my videos makes me happy. And y'all stay prayed up. Keep your head up. I pray for y'all. Pray for me. Life is going to get better. Like I said, I'm going to travel next year. If God see fit, I'm going to travel. God want us, Jesus want to see us happy. And I'm trying things that I never tried before. So I know he'll be more happy for that I'm enjoying the world that he put me in, than to sit in one spot and not do nothing. So yes, I'm going to travel. And I'm going to take y'all with me. But I appreciate the people who have subscribed. I appreciate y'all with all my heart for giving me just the if you don't come in, just know that y'all there. Thank you so much. And y'all subscribing to my channel means the world to me. And I'm happy. It's just that I'm sensitive. Very sensitive. And y'all find that out at my happiest time and my worstest time. And that's who I am. So stay blessed, prayed up, keep God first, stay safe out here. Wear your mask, please. Wear your mask. And make sure we vote. Love y'all.